Hello guys, welcome to Daily Hacks channel. In the other video I told you how to use this oven, Indisat one, but today's video is just about to tell you how to use the microwave. Most of the people know about it, but the people who don't know about it, this video is especially for them. So the first thing is first, so there is a switch for the microwave. Every appliances, when you get the appliance, so you get the plug like this, and 3-pin plug. Okay, you know that they all of the are the 3-pin plugs. So you have to find the socket in your home from where the main electricity is coming. You can see these are the two switches to turn them on or off the sockets. So you just have to put that plug into these 3 pins, and I'm just gonna plug that in, and this is the switch for the turning that on to give the electricity to your appliances. So I will just turn that switch on, so you can see the red thing which is actually showing you that your switch is on. So the microwave is basically got the electricity now. So another thing is, if you see these are the 2 knobs, the top one and the bottom one, and on the bottom one type there is another button. So when you press it a little bit, you will see your door will get open of the microwave. So you can see there is a plate inside where you actually can anything like bowl or plates, whatever you want to give the heat or warm up a little bit. So this is the plate for to put the things on it. And sometimes what happened, your plate just got moved up a little bit, and when you turn your microwave on, your plate doesn't rotate, and this is actually the food will not get warm up. So you have to make sure that your plate, you can see these 3 pins. So these 3 pins are already have to be inside of the grooves of your rotating gear. So this is how you can actually check your plate is in correct place, and whatever you are warming up, it will be there up to the plate. So yeah, so when you put the thing on, whatever you want to do, make sure you use the microwave suitable products. Don't use a metal parts, you don't use a metal bowl plates, because microwave, what exactly it's do, give you the radiations. Whenever it's give the radiation, so need to be passed through the plastic things, otherwise the metal things will not pass through and will come back to the microwave sensor, and it can damage your microwave. So make sure you use always suitable microwave plates or bowl safeties first. So that's why I always recommend, and the appliances recommend that too, that to use the main microwave things. So when you put the things in, you just have to close your door, and you will see the click noise, big boom noise. So that means your door is closed fully. So another thing is, on the top knob you will see there is like a heating modes on it. So on the left hand side there is a 1, and the second one is the little bit warm, and the intensity of the number 2 and the 3, and the full intensity. So most of the people use the full intensity just because they wanted to warm the food up quickly. So that's why they always use the 3rd one or the 4th one. But if you are just doing the little bit of the warm up of your food, so you can use the number 1 one. So the second thing, the bottom one, the knob is actually the timer. So when you rotate your timer, you will see your oven, your microwave will get turned on. If I turn it to the 1, you will see it's just got the light on and the fan is on, so heating is actually radiating from through there. So that's why I'm not turning it on, just because my microwave is empty. So that's why I'm going to use it. So basically this is the timer. So the 1, 2 and 3, you can see the little bit after the if you are defrosting or something, so you can see the kg of it, and 200 gram and 400 gram and 1 kg. So this is like a 35 minutes, and the 1 minute, 2 minute and 3 minutes. So this is how simply you can use your microwave. So hope so my video you will love it and you will like it. If you like it, subscribe my channel Daily Hacks, and see you in the next video, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.